And now we are in town looking for a restaurant. We are so hungry. Tenemos hambre. And we would like to try a local cuisine. And how to ask for la cocina local, la cocina auténtica. En este caso, estamos en Cartagena, Colombia. In this case, we are in Cartagena, Colombia, asking for a local cuisine. And we would like to know how to ask those questions, as well as to get directions to the closest restaurant, and the auténtico one. Are you ready? ¿Estás listo to unlock the 6 questions you might want to ask when asking for a local cuisine at your destination? In this case, Cartagena, Colombia. Before we go to the restaurant, looking for the delicious and authentic plato colombiano, did you subscribe to my channel? At Speaking Spanish with Lili, I will provide you each week with authentic sentences, questions, and verbal expressions to improve your Spanish, to move your Spanish from a beginner level to an intermediate level. If you are an intermediate level, to an advanced level. Okay, and now let's start with the first question. ¿Me podría decir dónde queda un auténtico restaurante colombiano? ¿Me podría decir? Could you tell me dónde queda un auténtico restaurante colombiano? Could you tell me where an authentic Colombian restaurant is? Question número 2. Or, do you know an authentic Colombian restaurant? ¿Conoce usted un auténtico restaurante colombiano? ¿Conoce usted? Do you know? We use the formal because it's the first time in that country and we just asking general questions. So we use the formal usted. ¿Conoce usted? Do you know? Un auténtico restaurante colombiano. Do you know an authentic Colombian restaurant? Número 3. ¿Sabe usted si está cerca de aquí? Más despacio, por favor. Slower, please. ¿Sabe usted si está cerca de aquí? Do you know if it is near here? Depending on the time and the location where you are. If you are at an hotel, this question should be asked at the information center, at the hotel. If you are in an Airbnb, then you can ask to the local that knows the location, that is familiar with the location. I want you to try these questions without intimidation, being afraid, and just try and repeat this simple 6 questions. ¿Tengo que tomar un Uber? Do I need to take an Uber? Tengo que. Do I have to? Tengo que followed by an infinitive verb. Número 5. ¿Puedo tomar el bus, un tren? Can I take the bus or the train? Puedo. Can I? ¿Dónde está la parada del bus o la parada del tren? Where is the bus or train stop? And before we go, did you remember to subscribe? And the last one is just saying thank you. Gracias por la información. Thanks for the information. Thank you for the information. Gracias por la información. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss any upcoming videos with more on Speaking Spanish with Lili every week. New videos conversational, vocabulary, grammar, and much more. This is the summer, and we are in vacaciones.